Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Ddpai Dash Cam is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of automotive technology available today, offering peace of mind and invaluable evidence in unexpected situations, transforming your driving experience with its advanced features and reliable performance, ensuring you're always protected on the road. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Capture every detail with stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution. Its advanced night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light conditions, so you never miss a moment on the road. Instantly access and manage your recordings with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Download videos quickly to your smartphone and share your adventures with ease. This device accurately records your driving location and speed. Review your routes on Google Maps and enjoy hassle-free over-the-air firmware updates. Equipped with a supercapacitor, wide-angle lens, and parking mode, it offers enhanced safety and convenience. It also features loop recording and motion detection for continuous protection. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support. We're here to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. What we like. Experience unparalleled clarity with its 4K UHD recording and revolutionary super night vision. If you demand the absolute best in video quality, especially in low-light conditions, this is the dash cam for you. Its built-in Wi-Fi 6 and GPS ensure you can easily manage and track your footage. What people say. The video provided is at default settings, so I haven't even set it to 4K yet and it is this clear. I do recommend the 128 Samsung 10 Class U3 SD card for it as it records without freezing. The app seemed to work well for me. It was very easy to connect to and I was able to see my videos. The video is fantastic. When I learn to work with the player, I will update again. Number 4. AZDOME M553 Dash Cam 4K. Introducing the AZDOME M550, a 3-channel dash cam designed for complete coverage. It records front, interior, and rear views with wide-angle clarity, ensuring no detail is missed. Equipped with advanced IR night vision, this camera performs exceptionally even in low-light conditions. Drive with confidence knowing you have dependable visibility, no matter the time of day. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving routes, speed, and location. This feature provides reliable evidence for any incidents, making reviews straightforward and precise. Benefit from a 3-mode parking monitor for round-the-clock security. It includes motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse recording to safeguard your vehicle when parked. AZDOME is committed to delivering cutting-edge technology. Empower yourself with innovative features that put you in control on every journey. What we like. This dash cam offers comprehensive 3-channel recording, capturing front, interior, and rear views simultaneously. If you're looking for complete coverage of your vehicle's surroundings, including inside the cabin, and need robust 24-hour parking surveillance, this is an excellent choice. Its IR night vision for the interior camera is a standout feature. What people say. The Ddpai Dash Cam has a clear and crisp video quality, capturing details even in low-light conditions. Its compact and discreet design allows it to blend seamlessly with the car's interior without obstructing the driver's view. The built-in Wi-Fi feature enables easy access to recorded footage via a smartphone app, making it convenient to review and save videos. Number 3. IIWEY N5 4-channel Dash Cam. Introducing the IIWEY N5, a revolutionary dash cam that captures every angle. With its 360 degrees view and crystal-clear 1080p resolution, you won't miss a single detail on the road. Don't let darkness stop you. This device features 8 IR lamps for superior night vision, ensuring clear recordings even in low-light conditions. Stay connected effortlessly with its built-in 5G Wi-Fi. Easily preview, download, and share your footage directly from your smartphone using our dedicated app. It offers advanced parking modes to protect your vehicle 24/7. The integrated G sensor automatically saves and locks crucial footage in case of any impact or collision. Never worry about running out of space. It comes with a free 128GB SD card and supports seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest files to ensure continuous coverage. Please note, this device requires power from the original cigarette lighter charger. It is designed to be powered continuously and does not support USB or Type-C charging. What we like. Get a full 360 degrees view of your surroundings with its 4-channel recording capability, covering front, rear, and both sides. If you need to monitor every angle of your vehicle and appreciate the convenience of a large included SD card, this is a compelling option. The 8 IR lamps ensure excellent night vision for all cameras. What people say. The 360 degrees view is very useful and gives full coverage around the car, which adds extra peace of mind. Video quality is clear both during the day and at night, and the 1080p resolution is good enough to capture important details like license plates. The video quality is crystal clear both during the day and at night, making it easy to capture important details like license plates and road signs. The wide-angle lens covers a great field of view without distortion, which gives me extra peace of mind while driving. The 360 degrees view gives me complete peace of mind because it records the front, rear, inside, left, and right sides of the car all at once. The 1080p video quality is very clear, both during the day and at night. The 8 IR lamps really make a difference for night vision inside the car. Number 2. REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dash cam. Introducing the REDTIGER F17, a 3-channel dash cam that records crystal clear 4K footage from the front, and 1080p from inside and the rear. With its wide-angle lenses, it provides complete 360 degrees protection for your vehicle. Equipped with a Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor, WDR, and HDR technology, it excels in low-light conditions. This ensures sharp and detailed recordings, even on dimly lit streets or highways at night. Experience lightning-fast video transfers with its upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Easily access your footage and track your routes directly on your phone through the REDTIGER app. It also provides real-time GPS data for accident evidence. This device offers versatile recording modes. You can choose between 2.5K dual-channel recording or switch to 4K front and 1080p rear recording for maximum detail. With its triple parking monitor, including time-lapse and collision detection modes, it safeguards your vehicle even when parked. The front, rear, and interior cameras ensure comprehensive coverage. Built with a supercapacitor for extreme temperature reliability, it's designed for durability. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month guarantee and dedicated 24/7 customer support. What we like. This dash cam boasts the advanced Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor for exceptional low-light performance and dynamic range. If you prioritize superior image quality in challenging lighting and want the flexibility to switch between 4K front 1080p rear or 2.5K dual-channel recording, this is a top contender. The upgraded 5G Wi-Fi ensures fast and reliable connectivity. What people say. The Ddpai Dash Cam has a compact and discreet design that blends well with the car's interior. It offers excellent video quality, capturing clear footage even in low-light conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi allows for easy connection to the smartphone app, enabling quick access to recordings and settings. Number 1. ROVE R3 3-channel dash cam. Introducing the ROVE R3, a revolutionary 3-channel dash camera designed for every driver. It's packed with features and boasts an industry-leading design for a seamless experience. Meticulously crafted over 1.5 years, this smart dash camera is incredibly user-friendly. Get started right out of the box with its intuitive interface and powerful capabilities. Enjoy crystal clear 3-channel recording, front, cabin, and rear. Stay connected with our new ROVE apps, enjoy lightning-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and track your journeys with built-in quad-mode GPS. With advanced features like a wide f1.5 aperture lens and 4 IR LEDs for night vision, it captures every detail, even in complete darkness. Its supercapacitor ensures safety and longevity. The 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi and redesigned ROVE apps offer the best user experience. View and transfer videos effortlessly on your smartphone with download speeds up to 30 MB/s. This dash cam comes with a 1-year warranty and is backed by our dedicated, USA-based customer care team. We're here to ensure you have a quick and efficient support experience. What we like. Enjoy a user-friendly experience with its large 3-inch IPS touchscreen and incredibly fast 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video downloads. If you value ease of use and seamless smartphone integration, this dash cam is designed for you. The quad mode GPS provides comprehensive location and speed data, making it a great all-around choice. What people say. The speed in downloading clips to your phone are amazingly fast and easy. The picture quality is just stunning. Even the 1080p footage. The GPS system is quick to start up and get into sync with the satellites, unlike my previous GPS-enabled dash cams that took up to 2 to 3 minutes or more. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.